Today I'm going to walk you through how to remove hard inquiries off of your credit report for free. This is exactly how credit repair companies do it themselves, so stop paying hundreds of dollars for someone else to do it for you and follow these steps. First, let's walk through the two types of inquiries you have on your report and how they affect you. The first are hard inquiries. These are the types of inquiries that bring down your credit score. Hard inquiries occur when a lender or credit card issuer checks your credit when making a lending decision. These types of inquiries must be authorized by you. Common types of hard inquiries are mortgage applications, auto loan applications, credit card apps, and apartment rental applications. So this means when you are applying for a certain type of loan or credit, this will show up as a hard inquiry on your credit report. The second type of inquiries are soft inquiries. Soft inquiries do not affect your credit score and are typically when a person or company checks your credit as part of a background check, or you personally are requesting to check your credit score. Common types of soft inquiries are checking your own credit score online, pre-approved credit card offers that you receive in the mail, or employment verification when you are applying to a job. Both types of inquiries will be reported on your credit report for up to 24 months, and the hard inquiries will typically only affect you for the first 12 months. To get these hard inquiries removed, the first step is to get a copy of your credit report. I listed out a few resources below that you can use to get a copy of your current report. You want to have a tri-merge report that has Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion listed out. Remember, these credit bureaus work independently and have different information reporting on them. When you apply for a credit card, a home loan, or a car, they may only pull your information from one of the bureaus or all three, so you want to make sure to have info for all three bureaus. So once you get the report, go down to the bottom and highlight the hard inquiries you are wanting to remove between the three bureaus. When deciding what inquiries you are wanting to remove, I recommend to work on the older ones first and work your way to the newer ones. The newest inquiries will be hard to remove since the creditors may have all of your information fresh and ready to go. Another thing to remember is to not dispute or try and remove account holding inquiries. So this means if you apply for a credit card, say it's Capital One, and you did in fact open that credit card and start using it, you do not want to remove that inquiry. It could possibly remove the account from your credit report and lower your score. So now once you have your credit report open and you have highlighted the inquiries you want to remove, you now want to freeze some third parties to help with the removal process. When you are disputing to the bureaus, they are trying to validate your inquiries through your personal information. They get this information through your credit report or through third parties that house this information. So by freezing these third parties, it prevents the bureaus from accessing this info, so it helps with your chances with disputing. So you need to go online and freeze these accounts: LexisNexis, Innovis, and SageStream. Follow the directions below in the comments to freeze these third parties. You will usually get a letter in the mail showing the account is frozen with a pin on how to unfreeze the account, so then you know these third parties are frozen. So once they're frozen, here are two ways to get these hard inquiries removed quickly. The first way is to call the credit bureaus themselves. I have listed out their numbers below that you can use. It's going to be an automated computer system, so just say remove hard inquiries until you get someone on the line that you can speak with. Make sure to have this information in front of you before you call the bureaus: the creditor's name, the date of the inquiry, and the reason why you want it to be removed. You need to have a legitimate reason why it needs to be removed, like you did not authorize it. If you went car shopping and got pre-approved but never authorized a hard inquiry, or there are 10 hard inquiries posted where there should only be one, that can be a reason as well. Do not just say, I applied for this credit card and I was not approved, so please remove this inquiry. That's not a legitimate reason to get the inquiry removed. So make sure to call the bureaus individually and ask for the removal. Wait for 14 days to see what your results are. If this method does not work for some of the inquiries, then you can move on to the next method, which would be sending out a letter to the creditor. This is the letter you want to use, so make sure to screenshot it. In this letter, you will be listing out the creditor, the date of the inquiry, and asking for removal. Make sure to include a copy of your driver's license, your social, and proof of residence, and send it certified mail to track that the creditor actually received the letter. So send out these letters, wait 30 days to see what inquiries were moved off of what bureau. If there are still hard inquiries remaining on your report, after waiting 30 days, then repeat step 1 by calling the credit bureaus and disputing it, and then step 2 by sending out letters to those creditors asking for removal. If you have other derogatory accounts like collections and charge-offs that you're wanting to clean off your credit report, you can check out my DIY credit repair program. I walk you through fixing your credit on your own with all the letters and guidance and training that you need. All of our letters do include verbiage to remove non-account holding inquiries when disputing to the bureaus. So if this is something that you want to check out, please click the link below in the notes for more information. If you're just starting out working on your credit, you can watch this video right here. This is part 1 in my credit disputing series that walks you through more in-depth training on where to begin with the credit process to see real results. Once again, my name is Ari Gruman. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.